Hello everyone. So today I am going to solve one error that I have encountered while making the Flutter project. So the error is Android resource linking failed, and the error is caused due to the reason resource XML slash file paths not found. Okay, so basically the thing is that my filepaths.xml file is not present in the XML folder. So we will do the same thing. So what we will do? So just go to the Android folder. Okay, and then app, then source, then main, then res. So in res folder, we will create one XML folder. So create one directory XML, enter, and now put your filepaths.xml file in this folder, XML folder. Okay. So do the refactor. Okay. So now we will first clean the project and then we will run it. So flutter clean, flutter pubget. Now let's run the project. So here we can see that now our app has run on the emulator.